Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Redmi Buds 6 Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. At the device list, click the settings icon or information icon near to your earbuds. And at the right side we have button what called disconnect, so we need to tap on it. But before I will do this, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds, you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds and click at the forget button, you will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let me click on it. And if I go back, as you can see, I just stopped Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but still have it as the device list and I can easily reconnect them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!